amigos, it's Sonia Davis, and here are your directions for today, January 15th. So we're going to continue to practice the verb tener. We took notes on that yesterday. If you've not taken those notes yet, please go back to the last folder and print them or handwrite them and use the Edpuzzle to help you fill those out. But we're talking about what you have and what you have to do with the verb tener. So first, I have a Boom Cards activity for you to do. You'll click this. It'll ask you to log in using Google. And this will come up for you. You're going to read the sentence. We have Marta and Leer in this example. And you're going to always have a form of tener. So with Marta, that's a she. I'm going to use the form tiene, she has. And then the second thing I'm going to do is decide if I need the word que. We use que if you're talking about something that you have to do. And we don't use que if you're just talking about an object or a thing that you have. So leer means to read. So does it make sense to say Marta has read or Marta has to read? Since we need that to in there, we're going to drag the K up to the second box and click submit. Now, not all of them are going to use that K. So if it doesn't need one, you'll just leave that gray box blank. For instance, this one, we have yo and un libro. I have a book. I don't have to book, I have a book. So I'm going to have always a form of tener. In this case, I would not put anything in that gray box and then move on to the next one. Click submit assignment once you've done all 20 of those cards. And then you have some tarea in Go Formative to practice tener. The first section you're going to do is translating into English. So I'm going to give you a sentence in Spanish. You tell me what it means in English. Remember, all your forms of tener mean have. And if you have that K in there, it means you have to do something. The second set, you're going to, kind of like what you did in Boom Cards, decide if you need just a form of tener or if you need a form of tener and the word que. So remember, if you have an object, you're going to just use tener. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, and tienen. If you have to do something, you're going to have a form of tener still, but the word que as well. So decide that for this next section. And then for the last section, you're going to be doing some translating with sentences with, again, tener and tener que. So decide which one you need, translate the vocabulary, put a period at the end of your sentence. Don't forget to do that. And that will be at the end of this assignment. And you'll click submit assignment there. We will quiz on this Wednesday of next week. I hope you guys have an awesome long weekend. Adios.